So day one, we're just going from Kabanjahe to Bukit Lawang. And this is our driver, his name's Dedek, and he picked us up, and it's about 4.5 hour drive, or 3.5 hour drive from Kabanjahe to Bukit Lawang. So we're back in the car with Lewis Hamilton.
I nearly hit my head about 3 times.
There's like bends and all sorts on hills, and the guy is showing us his gallery on his phone, his mates' pictures and everything. It's proper Lewis Hamilton. The journey's supposed to take 3.5 hours, but I think we made it in about 2. It's raining, it's thundering, lightning and everything. And yeah, he's taking these corners pretty fast. I don't know if you can see these corners. Watch this corner. Look, there's a G. The guy's a G. We're just rocking to some Snoop Dogg and some Dr. Dre. Introduced him to Shazam today as well, and really appreciated it. Never heard of Shazam before. Oh, eyes on the road, eyes on the road. Surprising, just squeezed through that gap there. That was lightning.
It's getting worse, the lightning.
We just arrived at Ita Homestay in Bukit Lawang, and that's Ita, our host, and this is her house. We'll do a little walk around a little bit later when we're awake. It's about 6 o'clock in the evening, and we've got a jungle trek tomorrow to Bukit Lawang jungle, and we'll be staying with Adi and an assistant. We'll be doing a jungle trek for 2 days and 1 night, and we'll be doing a tubing or rafting on the way back to Bukit Lawang or back to the homestay. The whole experience cost us €70 per person, and then it works out to about £13 a night at the homestay. There's an old school toilet, it's not an English toilet, and they've got cold water, not hot water.
We just can't escape the cold water and the old school toilet, so I was really hoping for like an English toilet and a really hot shower, but no such luck.
Yeah, but it's pretty hot, so I think a cold shower will go down nicely.
I don't know, I think after we get back from the jungle trek, I'm going to go for a hot
Jungle
shower.
style, yeah. Like a pair of Muppets, we sent our clothing back to England. So in the box that we sent back to England was our rainproof or waterproof coat, our waterproof bottoms. Luckily we kept our trekking trainers, and we've brought the rain and thunder and lightning with us. It's absolutely down outside. We can hear the thunder, it's really loud, so we're hoping that it'll be quite sunny tomorrow. Hopefully we'll get to see some orangutans, some long-tailed monkeys, maybe some tigers if we're lucky, and some snakes and some spiders.
No, to the last 3, no.
But we'll be staying in a tent. We don't really know what we're going to be staying in right now.
You stay in a hut.
Oh, a hut.
In a hut. In a hut.
In a hut.
Don't know if the hut's going to have a roof. Don't know if the hut's made out of bricks or wood.
What is it made from? The hut?
From wood or bamboo?
Bamboo.
From bamboo. Okay, so the hut's made out of bamboo. So just giving a little walkthrough of Ita Homestay. There's my trainers. I hope they're dry in the morning. This is the hallway, and this is the little common room or lounge. One little wooden table. A roof. We have a roof. And then we walk through here, and then we've got the kitchen. This is where Ita, the master chef, makes the breakfast in the morning. Yeah, the master chef over there.
I don't know yet because we've not eaten any of her food, but we'll find out tomorrow, so we'll know.
So yeah, she's got a nice little kitchen here. She's got some bintang, stocked up on some bintang, some water, some toilet roll. She's got a little hob over there, and her sink. And then this is the common room, or the, what is this, like a dining room? Yeah, common room, dining room.
Breakfast, something to eat, drink.
We've got a fridge. Find some dead bodies in there. Oh, I've got some cuddly toys. It's the generation game. Oh, look at that TV. Bet you ain't seen one of those TVs in a while, the big CRT TVs.
Does it work, this TV?
Look at that. What is it? LG as well. It's LG. And this is our bedroom.
Many TV channels.
We've got a nice double bed over there. And we've got a fan because it's absolutely boiling. We've got a nice little sofa. A mirror. And we've got some random picture of James Dean at the top. I don't know why, but there's a couple of pictures of James Dean here. Maybe we got a thing for James Dean. Bit creepy. And here we've got our bathroom. If you see there's the bathtub, and there's a good old-fashioned toilet. And then we've got the toilet stroke shower here. Open somehow. Oh look, English toilet. They got an English toilet. Did you not see the English toilet? English toilet.
Yes!
And we've got a shower. And a bucket bath if you're into bucket baths. So it's the night before the jungle trek. It's about 12 o'clock at night. We've got to be up in about 7 hours, but you hear that's going on in the background. Put my ear to the pillow and you can hear the vibrations as if it's an earthquake. It's been going on for like hours and hours. I don't know if it's going to stop or whether we're going to get any sleep tonight or not. But we're leaving tomorrow morning at about 9 o'clock. Not sure what the weather's going to be like. We've got no waterproof clothing. We've got some trekking shoes, and that's about it really, and a couple of ponchos. We've got a couple of ponchos that I found in my first aid kit. We've got no waterproof bag or anything. We're going like rafting and tubing. The guy asked us if we've got any like sleeping bags or mats or anything. We ain't got nothing. We just came to the jungle trek without anything really. A couple of shorts and t-shirts and a hoodie. So we'll check in the morning. Ooh. It's morning. It's September 14th. Good morning. It's Saturday 14th. We did get some sleep last night. Eventually, we woke up at 4 o'clock because there's a building next door and they make a bit of noise. And also there were some chickens going off as well. How many hours sleep did you get?
I don't know. I don't feel like I've slept at all. I need at least like 8 hours sleep, so I feel a bit groggy this morning.
Yeah, same here. I think we got about 4 or 5 hours sleep last night, and we're getting picked up in about 9 o'clock. So about in an hour we're going to get picked up. This morning, Ita's made us some breakfast, so we've got some pancakes.
Pineapple.
Some pineapple.
It's really sweet. Sweet and juicy.
Yeah. We've just had a dose of vitamin C as well.
Yeah. Danielson.
We're just going to get ready, and we're going to leave in about half an hour, about 30 minutes. And we've just been given some rain jackets, so that's pretty handy. And also we've been given a blanket. Oh yeah, and this is the a Caro headband that we were given by our new family. So I was given the name Sinokaban, and Ethi was given the name Ginting. That's pretty cool. And yeah.
Yes, welcome to Jungle Office. My name is Adil Lookman, Lucky Man. If you want to see orangutan in the wild, visit our place here, Bukit Lawang. Our office here, we organize for jungle trekking, rafting, rock climbing, and mountain hiking. If you want to see orangutan in the wild, visit our place here, Bukit Lawang.
So we're off to do the jungle trek. We've got Adi, who's not coming with us. We've got Ethi Ginting, and we've got Chichi, and we've got Mikel. Mikel is our assistant.
Yes.
Yes? And Chichi is our guide for the jungle trek. So good luck to us all. If we're alive at the end of it, we're alive. If not, then the jungle ate us.
actually she's just named it after me, so now it's Ginting Bridge, so it's mine. I own a bridge.
We're just walking to the jungle now. It's about 100 meters from the main road, and just behind us are the rafting tubes, which I guess we're going to do on the way back on Sunday. If you're wondering why I've got a white t-shirt on now, it's because I forgot mosquitoes like black clothing and black colours, so I jumped into a white t-shirt. I still got black bottoms on, so I'm hoping my legs will be okay, and they're still alive in the morning. We decided to do the jungle trek because we both need to face challenges of our own. Like, I'm not really a fan of mosquitoes or cockroaches or anything that moves really. And I think staying in the jungle will teach us a few more things about life and about that it's not all so bad, you know. And when we're in safe hands, we've got a guide and an assistant. I've only walked about 50 meters and I'm out of breath already.
Every day the farmers cut the tree for the special night.
Can I touch it?
Yes. And then you can.
It's like milk.
Like a what?
It smells like milk.
Like a what? No, milk.
Melita.
No.
Melita.
No.
Then?
No, sap.
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 Oh, right, so they make like...
Smell?
Is it sticky?
it's not sticky.
You can smell.
It just smells like tree sap.
Really?
So apparently we're just close by to an orangutan.
I'm scared.
Huh?
I'm scared.
Don't be scared.
Yeah.
You just see it's just up there, the little orangutan.
You keep your bottle?
Yeah.
I can keep it. I can carry it.
Ginting.
So we've just seen an orangutan up in the trees, but it was a wild one. And the wild orangutans don't come down to interact with humans at all. They used to have a feeding platform, but they banned that. But we have brought some fruit with us, and it's advised not to open your bags when you see an orangutan because they might snatch the bag. So just down there, signs of a wild pig. What do? Do they scratch it?
I was going to say, if it's the poo, it's not very fresh, so
No.
alright.
Oh yeah, look down there as well.
The wild pig is looking for worms.
Oh, worms.
Oh.
So it's like a hog? Hog. I think a wild pig. Yeah, so the wild pigs are scratching beneath the surface looking for worms. You see like markings. Yeah, like that. Like that down there.
If you see a wild pig,
Yeah.
but in the jungle we have the predator for the wild pig.
Predator for the wild pig.
You remember like
What is the predator for the wild pig?
maybe like a tiger?
A tiger, okay.
Not here.
We don't know. Because the jungle.
Yeah.
Not like a zoo.
Okay, so it's so big.
So big.
Yeah, so hopefully we see a tiger today.
I don't think
So the guy just told us a couple of days ago there was a few people that seen 2 tigers, and the tigers hunt the hog. So something's always got a predator. I'm not sure what the tiger's predator is. It's 2 years ago they had a tiger which came to the village, and I think it takes a cow. It took a cow. Yeah, it took a cow. And the wild orangutans, or any male orangutan, can weigh up to 90 kilos. That's 90 kilos. It's pretty heavy for an orangutan. And this one's a seed. Okay. So we just found a rubber plant skin, and there's the seed. And the orangutan, he was sitting on top of the tree and he was just eating these seeds and then throwing the shells down, but it was making some weird kind of noise like wow, wow, wow.
Wait, I can do it.
So this is what the rubber plant nut or shell, rubber plant shell looks like. It's pretty hard.
Yeah.
It's triple balls. You can really hear the jungle already, can't you?
Yeah.
The crickets, the grasshoppers, the flies.
Oh, food.
and like millions of mosquitoes are making this little humming noise. Can't wait to see what they sound like at night. I think nighttime the jungle comes alive. Are we in we're in the jungle now, yeah?
Not yet.
Not yet.
What?
Okay, we're still not in the jungle. Although it looks like a jungle, we're not in the jungle, but there are some restaurants and toilets. Huh?
Not yet.
Okay, so we're close to the jungle now. Not far. But we have seen our first orangutan. It was really high up, so apologies for the this close-up of the video. And we've just walked past a cacao plant as well. That tree, cacao tree. So they make a little fire down there. You'll see little fireplaces like here and there around the jungle for protection from the mosquito. It's good to have those really, in case you haven't got any mosquito repellent. But the locals, do you wear mosquito repellent? You wear mosquito spray?
Me?
Yeah. No? You wear mosquito spray? So the guide and the assistant, neither of them wear mosquito spray, so...
So they don't bite you?
Sometimes they won't bite. But it's okay for me.
They got fresh British meat here. And they want to eat us.
Can't even see me.
Smell our blood. So we've just been told there's 3 orangutans down there where we're going now. It's pretty steep. I really recommend you wearing some trekking shoes. I'm glad we bought these. The only bit of trekking kit that we've got. Tiger! Oh, it's nice and cool down here.
Spiders.
Snake.
Where? There is. Don't you really?
Alright, so we're just seeing a chili snake. They call it a chili snake, maybe because it looks like a chili. But just behind us in the tree, you can see a couple of orangutans. You might not be able to see him, but it's quite high up.
The baby or?
One just there.
I know, the orangutan nest.
That's the orangutan right.
And just in front of us, an orangutan nest.
Really a day.
Just up there is an orangutan nest, and they can make about 2 or 3 orangutan nests a day.
Oh. Wow. Oh.
That's the baby one.
Oh, so cute. It's intrigued, isn't it?
Mm.
Who are all these people?
We started the trek about 9:30, and we trekked about an hour and a half, and this is just the start.
Put it on me.
Oh, it's vital you bring some water with you, if not 2 bottles.
Well, 3. We've got 3.
3.
It's absolutely boiling in here. I'm
Yeah.
sweating.
So the female orangutan gives birth to a baby orangutan, and she can hold the baby up to 8 or 9 months. And then when the baby is about 7 years old, the baby orangutan will leave the mother and go off into the wilderness.
He also.
So just behind us, we've got the Thomas leaf monkey, which are quite rare and only found in Sumatra.
They're really beautiful.
Yeah, they're really nice, long tail as well, and they're really friendly with humans, so they interact with them and not really scared of them either.
No, it's a baby one, I know.
Yeah, this little baby one up there.
Oh.
You open it, oh, and that's what happened? Oh my.
So we've been walking for 2 hours in public land, but we've just arrived now at the border, and across here, this is the border here, across here is the entrance to the jungle.
So we're just going to take one?
We have the orangutan aggressive here.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Little monkey just behind us. So the little long-tail monkeys and all the little monkeys, they go around in groups like little gangs. But the orangutans, they're solitary monkeys, like Jungle Book. What's the orangutan's name?
King Louie.
King Louie. King Louie is by himself because he's a solitary orangutan. we just heard somebody say that they've spotted King Louie. So we've got to be a bit quiet and a bit careful as well, because they've got a tendency of snatching things and being a little bit aggressive. So in the jungle there's two well-known orangutans. One's called Mina, which is my mum's name, and then the other one's called Jackie. So Mina and Jackie.
Mina's the aggressive one.
Yeah, Mina's the aggressive one. So the big orangutan that we just seen was King Louie. Yeah, so King Louie, what can we say? What an experience that was. When you see the orangutans on TV, they don't look as big. But this one was really big, you know, hairy, big. Fucking flies and that. Felt something just bite me in my foot as well. I think that might have been a little red ant. We've just stopped for some lunch now, up the hill. It was a bit of a tough climb really, but there's steps, like natural steps along the way up. We've got some rice, we've got some rambutan, we've got some fruits and some other things as well. And these are our chefs.
Some knives.
And some knives.
Never sweated so much in my life.
Any advice for anyone that's coming here to do the 2 night or 1 night?
My advice to you would be get down to the gym first, do a bit of a workout, get ready for it, because it's not easy. I don't know what I expected, but I'm so unfit. I didn't realise how unfit I was, but I'm like taking a break every sort of like 20 minutes.
5 minutes.
It's 20 minutes. 20 minutes. But I think I've done well. I've pushed myself and I haven't got a choice now. I've got to get to the main base where we're going to sleep. So onwards and upwards, as they say.
can't believe we're actually witnessing an orangutan and her baby boy. It is. They're just chomping on some bamboo. We thought we'll never get this close to an orangutan because they were so far away. And this one's actually not aggressive. Not yet anyway, I hope she stays like that. But yeah, she's just chilling up there, eating away on a bamboo stick like it's a cheese string or something. And the baby's so cute. So if you can see in the background, just over there is a little house, little hut, bamboo hut. That's where we'll be sleeping tonight. I'll just zoom in and just see if you can see it a bit better. Yeah. That little hut is where we'll be sleeping tonight.
You excited now?
Yeah, I can see the house. I thought it was going to be a little tent or something, a plastic tent.
Walking.
No, he's going to walk through it.
Yeah. Okay,
If
so.
you want, I mean, if you want swimming there.
Oh,
If you want, you can shower in the
okay.
Run! I don't know how you run across.
So funny. I think you're right through a bush.
But in bahasa, it's blue good.
Dulu guru.
But it's safe to eat.
Some random leaf just being picked out of the jungle. What does it taste like?
Really like, I don't know, sour and...
Not like a sweet or a jelly baby or something.
No. You try it.
No, I don't want to try it.
He always makes me try everything. But he never tries it himself. Oh well, I've tried this. and he
Glue
hasn't.
glue.
Glue 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 glue.
No, glue glue.
Glue glue. I've tried it. Anish hasn't.
So we made it across that river. Yeah, it was a bit of an issue. I don't think our feet are quite adjusted to the hard stones and the rocks, whereas the locals, they're probably used to walking barefoot on concrete and mud and hard surfaces, where our feet are really soft and delicate.
The delicate feet.
Yeah, delicate.
Kemana? Melutan lu, Mak. Melutan.
10 more meters.
Come on.
Hotel California.
Not quite.
5-star Hilton. Hot shower. Full English vegetarian breakfast. That's the shower.
We made it. I've never been so happy to see a wooden hut. I don't care where I'm sleeping tonight. I'm knackered. Home.
This is our bed for the night, looking over the forest. We've been given a little white blanket. We should be alright.
That's it boiling anyway, so
Yeah.
we won't need.
As Ethy just prepared a coffee. And we got some biscuits, a brand new packet.
So I can open them, so
Yeah. Here's our drying rack. My t-shirt's absolutely drenched in sweat. And we'll just show you the shower. We thought the shower was this little tap down there, but that's not the shower, thank God. The shower is that thing over there. There's an English toilet in the ground. I feel a bit easier going to one of these things, even though it's in the ground and it still looks like the old school toilet. It just feels comfortable looking and seeing an English toilet. And there's the water for the bath. And the water source is at the top of the hill. So they've just taken a pipe and running the water down to this little bucket here.
So you got cauliflower, broccoli, green beans, baby corn, carrots. This is nice. This is tempeh. Chicken, which I can't eat because I've been ill twice and it's really tempting, but I'm not going to do it. And this is potato curry, so I think I'm just going to stick to the vegetables.
Wow.
But it looks really good. Morning. So we survived our first night in the jungle. Can't believe I actually fell asleep here. There's so many different noises going off. It's crazy, but it's really relaxing at the same time. Like, it's really soothing. At the back of where we're staying, there's no door, and it's open to the back of the jungle. So you're literally surrounded. You're surrounded. They could just get in. So all night I kept waking up, tossing, turning, looking, every little noise. But eventually I fell asleep. And this morning we woke up to monkeys. We were literally surrounded by monkeys, and they were trying to steal one of the carrier bags that we had in here. And they were slowly trying to open it. It was really, really funny because it was almost like they knew we were here and they didn't want to wake us up. And this morning our personal chefs are going to make us some toast, some coffee, and we've got biscuits, so I'm really happy. My belly's going to be happy, and I think we're going to do some rafting back to the village this morning. So I'm looking forward to that because I've never done that before. So we just arrived at the riverbank, and we've just done like a 20-minute walk from where we were staying last night. So I'm really hot and bothered again. It's really humid outside, but luckily we're getting a raft back to the village. I think it's going to take us about an hour. We've never done this before, so I'm not really sure what to expect. The water looks a bit crazy in some parts and calm in others, but yeah, we'll see how it goes. So wish us luck!
Hey guys, if you like this video, thumbs up and subscribe.